Because that was the condition, if I may finish, sir. That was the condition that was requested and posed before any action can be taken. That copy was provided earlier, and that copy, a hard copy of that can also be provided to you, sir, as requested.
To whom was it sent? Because my client is actually insisting for a copy because until now
We can
he has
send
not
you a copy
received
now,
one.
sir, if that is all right with you.
Well, I've been here for almost 2 hours. Teka na lang. At saka, ang basis ng pagbabasan nyo ng batas, saan ba? Anong batas? Batas ng Pilipinas o batas na ini-implement na withdraw na tayo 2 years ago? Hindi po ba?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are implementing, the warrant of arrest that is being implemented now is by virtue of a warrant of arrest issued by the ICC as contained in the red notice list, sir. But in the process of implementing the warrant of arrest and informing the President of his rights, we are applying the laws of the Philippines because it is within Philippine jurisdiction.
But you are still implementing
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
a law which is being implemented by a foreign entity, what by an agency, wherein we have already withdrawn.
Yes, sir. By committee, sir, we have to assist also.
So, thank you, sir. Thank you. And we still want to be clear ano yung rights na binasa mo sa mga. Salamat po. Kung rights ba ng Hague, o rights ba ng Pilipino, o rights ba ng what are the rights?
Those are the Miranda rights, sir, under our laws. That was led by Brigadier General Dick Toy, sir.
Has the Miranda rights been adopted by the Hague Convention?
It doesn't necessarily have to be, sir.
Hindi ko masyado ito, sir. Relax lang tayo, magkaibigan tayo.
Yes, sir.
Pero pagkatapos nito, kita rin tayo. Whether I'm in jail or somewhere else, we will eventually see together. So let us not rabbit. Anong gusto lang malaman? Kasi siyempre, I am a Filipino citizen. Galing ko lang sa labas, at bakasyon. At ito ang nangyari sa akin. So, ang first is, what is the basis for my arrest? If I am being arrested now for detention, on the basis of detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed?
May we allow to answer, Mr. President?